This is Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO coming to you from home base. As you notice, we have our GoFundMe back up and running. It is up and ready for donation. So if you don't forget to make sure to scan the QR code for both GoFundMe and Zeffy because we really need the funds. GoFundMe is the $10K for the certification. Zeffy is for the car. I'm going in January to go see the J. Marie again to get stuff finalized to figure out what needs to be done. That way we can bring it home. We're ready to, if we can get the funds, donations have stopped for right now. I know times are tough, but we need to get you guys to donate. Come on, people. You can do monthly, or you can do a one-time thing with the Zeffy. GoFundMe, it's any amount. We need all the help we can get, guys. We need the funds. Times are running out, because we got approval for the runs to 40 miles up to Bernalillo, 40 back to Los Lunes. So if we can get J. Marie here in time, our goal is to have it here by get it certified now, and then have it here by either March or April. That way we can probably get it in the last week of February to home. So we need to have enough time to move it. So if you donate today, let's do it, guys. We need your help because we are out of time. Like I said, funds have stopped. We need help. Donate to make sure to scan all the QR codes that we got up there. I will not put the links to the description down below. Just scan the QR code and you'll be able to see what we're doing. So, come on, folks. We need your help. Time is of the essence here to do the test runs. 129.26. And we got to get our stuff set up to get ready for runs for passengers and everything. So, and then next year's Railroad Days, we will be in the car for Railroad Days. We won't be out set up with the booth. We'll be set up in the rail car. So come on into the rail car, get what we have, and let's do it, guys. We need your help. Time's running out, and it's running out fast. So if I can get up there by January, I can get started going with the certification stuff immediately. So let's do it, guys. Come on. crossing. Extreme Railfan Redwood Empire Corporation CEO coming to you on board Sky Railways. Unfortunately, the equipment is not out today. The weather is bad, as you can see on my phone. It's getting wet. It's raining. So the live stream and the video footage has been canceled until further notice. If we can try it for next year, we'll try it for May for next year. So we'll see everyone later. There's the homework for 7.